Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonika Singh and I hope you all are keeping well, safe, sound, healthy because yes, it's pandemic and I hope you're staying at home and not wandering here and there. In today's video, we are going to talk about some random interesting facts about me. Yes, you heard it right. There are 34 random facts and interesting facts that I'm going to share with you today about me, and I'm sure you could relate to few of them because they're very neutral and they're quite relatable to each one of us. So I'm sure you're going to relate it, and if yes, please do not forget to share what is it that we share in common with each other. And with further ado, let's begin. The random fact number one is that I'm addicted to perfumes. Yes, a lot of you know that I'm addicted to perfumes. I've been collecting perfumes since my teenage, and as on date, I have 42 perfume bottles. Yes, you can digest it for a while. I have 42 perfume bottles in all shapes, sizes, colors, and types. I have got bottles which are 50 ml, which are 75 ml, 100 ml, in certain different forms as well, which is EDP and Itr. So I'm addicted to them so hard that I have one on my dressing table, one in my bathroom, and two in my handbags. And one more interesting thing that I want to share with each one of you is that I just don't go buy randomly. Of course, I do shop perfumes, but how do I buy them is that I save for them. Back then when I just started earning, my mom and my parents have always taught that you should save for whatever good you want to buy. And till date I follow that, which is that I save money every month and I gift myself a perfume or bottles of perfume together, either on New Year or on my birthday. This year I haven't bought anything, but I have a lot of perfumes at the moment. But yes, I will try and continue with them at the moment and buy something which is new edition and which really is out of the league at the moment. Fact number two, I am obsessed with hand creams. Yes, I am a person who likes to keep her hands moisturized, and I do go and wash a number of times. I wash my hands a number of times and my hands are a little dry and I don't like those dry hands. Hence, I go and keep a moisturizer very close to me on my dressing table. So, random fact number or interesting fact number three is that I'm obsessed with cleanliness, or you can call me a cleanliness freak. A lot of people are fitness freak or running freak. I am cleanliness freak. Yes, I don't like where there is no cleanliness. I keep my house, my work desk always clean, neat and tidy, and I can't bear any dirt or any cluttered things here or there. So that's fact number three. Fact number four, I have a front tooth broken. A lot of you who have met me personally, I'm sure you know that I have a crown on my front tooth, and I was 6 when I had that accident, and my milk teeth were all broken, and my regular teeth were there. But after a lot of surgeries and couple of surgeries, I have undergone a lot of treatment for this, and after a multiple types of crowning and multiple times of crowning, I finally stick to this one. I think this one has been with me for the last 10 years, and I hope it continues to be there with me for much longer, because I don't want to get my another surgery done for the front tooth again. So that's the random fact number 4. Random fact number 5 is that I have a bleeding nose. Yes, you heard me right. So my nose is very sensitive, and if somebody hits it little little stronger, or if somebody taps my nose a little stronger, I start to bleed. And I don't know what's the reason. Even if my temperature, my body temperature goes a little higher, I start to bleed. I've not been following any procedure or any medication for it. Whenever it bleeds, I just keep my head up, or put some ice on my forehead to make it stop, to stop the bleeding. But yes, that's the weird fact that I have with me, and I've been living this fact for long now. I think for about 10 years, 12 years. Yeah, so yeah, that's the fact that I carry with me since last 10 years. Random fact number 6 is that I am in love with chocolates, ice creams, and pastries, or cake, whatever you want to say. I'm not obsessed with Indian sweets or any kind of sweets, but I just die for chocolates. And while I was a kid, I never used to even taste chocolates. I think the love or for inclination for chocolates is that has started, I think, about my mid-age, or I would rather say when I was a teenage, because that's where that's when I exposed myself to a lot of chocolates. Back then, I think in India we only were inclined towards Dairy Milk or Crackle. I still remember that Crackle Dairy Milk used to come in a yellow packet. If you're that old, so it used to come in a yellow packet with a silver lining inside it, and some crackles, butterscotch crackles on it. And that was my favorite chocolate. But after I got exposed to some other chocolates, I was in love with them. One of my favorites, actually a lot of them are my favorites. My favorites is Swiss chocolates, Belgium chocolates. Of course, it's known for its flavor. I am more inclined towards dark chocolates as compared to normal chocolates or milk chocolates. But hazelnut, M&Ms, Toblerone, Twix, Bounty, these are all the chocolates that I really love. And I think when we were teenage, it was not easily available in India, but now it's in abundance. So yes, I can buy it and eat it anytime. But whenever I used to travel international, I used to carry loads and loads of them. And my mom always used to tell me that, where are you going to keep all of those chocolates? And, the bottom part of our refrigerator was always filled with chocolates. So yes, that's the that's the random fact number 6. Next fact is that मुझे singing का बहुत शौक है, and of course in my couple of previous videos I have shared a singing passion also, and that's my second passion. So I will link down the video link below so that you can, if you have not heard or not seen it, you can go and see it. But I have been singing since the time I was 6 or 7 years old. I have been participating in couple of singing competitions which happened at school level. But when I shifted my school from convent school to another school, I did my 9th to 12th in some other school in Delhi. And that's when, once you shift your school, once you shift your friends, you get a little reserved. I was not reserved at all, to be honest, but there were some things that I kept it to myself, and never exposed it to other people. So yes, I do sing. I love singing, and that's the random fact number 7. Random fact number 8, which is interesting, is that I have never fractured any of my bone. Yes, of course, I've got a lot of scars. I've got stitches also, but thankfully, fingers crossed, I am quite strong that ways, and I've so far not got any fracture. I just hope I don't get it now, because it's been said that अगर आप कोई चीज़ बोल देते हो तो वो हो जाती है. So I just hope that please God, please don't get me a fracture. But yes, that's the random fact number 8 for you. Random fact number 9, and which is that I'm quite a luxurious person that way, and I don't like mediocre things. I buy stuff which is luxurious. Again, I will save for that good thing, good brand, but I will not randomly pick anything. So being it candles, being it perfumes, or for that matter, some household utensil also. I will go and pick up something which is long lasting, which is durable, but I will not go and buy something which which I will have to regret after a while, that oh shit, why did I buy it? I should have spent some few more hundreds or few more thousands to get a better thing. So yes, that way I'm quite a luxurious person, and before wedding Chandeep used to call me that I'm a white elephant. I will pick up something which is more meaningful to me or which is a utility for me. So yes, random fact number 10 is that I'm quite tomboyish. I know my looks, and currently I'm all decked up with all the makeup and everything on because I had to make a video. But I'm quite a tomboyish kind of a person. I like to be very cozy in my denims or in my pajamas, or cool tops, t-shirts. I'm not a very fashionista type of a personality. I like to be chill, calm, lazy to an extent that I can walk in those denims and random t-shirts or shirts to a mall also, and without makeup as well. So yes, fact number 11, and I'm sure most of you will be relating to it, is that I just hate lizards, and I just hate rats. I just can't stand them. I mean, if they are in the room, I'm out of that house. Forget about room. Till the time a lizard or a rat or a mouse, for that matter, is in my room, or for that matter in my home, I will not enter that house. I just don't like them. They're so slimy. I don't know. I mean, they're just so weird. I just don't. I get that feeling. While even I'm talking to you, I'm getting that goosebumps that I'm looking at my walls right now. That is there any lizard or not? I'm just so afraid of them, and I don't like them in my house at all. And that's it. I mean, I know a lot of you also don't like it. A lot of female friends that I have, a lot of girlfriends that I have, they don't like it either. But yes, that's the random fact number 11. Random fact number 12 is that I cannot swallow tablets. Yes, and it's not that I cannot swallow it right from now. I cannot swallow it from my childhood only. I used to crush them, put some sugar crystals on it, have full glass of water, and then make it soluble and then drink it. I have couple of times undergone some diseases. I think those are called diseases only, which is typhoid or jaundice. And that's where you have to eat those big capsules and a lot of medicines with a lot of syrups. Initially I used to throw them away, and one day my mother found out that there are like 10-15 tablets under my bed, and she was like, if you're not going to eat it, you will lose all your hair, or your skin texture will go bad and what all that. And I was like, shit yaar, if I lose all my hair, how will I look? And that's when I started eating them. But I used to crush them to powder, have some sugar crystals on it, and then have it with full glass of water. I still do that. I just can't swallow tablets. I just don't know why. They just stuck here. आप कितना भी पानी पी लो, even if I drink full 1 liter of water bottle na, I will not be able to swallow it. I just don't know what's wrong with it. I just don't know. So yes, that's the interesting fact about me. Next fact, which is random fact number 13, is that I love to write a diary. I've been writing diary since the age of 10. I have loads and loads of diaries with me. Or I used to write it every day, but slowly and gradually, I stopped writing. And I only used to write great experiences or bad experiences, but I picked it up again when I was in my early 20s, and I continued till 2016. And then Rehat happened, and then I couldn't write it for 3 years. But now I've started writing diary again, and now I am not writing diary on notebooks. Yes, I'm keeping all my random facts here so that I don't forget. So now I write on laptop. I have a Word page document where I write, because collecting so many diaries, keeping so many diaries, it's now gonna get difficult. And we're moving on to a technology mode where you can, even if you don't want somebody to read your diary, you can put a password on it. Back then, there used to be a lock in the diaries, but now, I've never used those locked diaries. Because there is nothing to hide as such. But yes, that's very, very personal and close to me. Nobody has ever bothered to pick up my diary and read it. Though Chandeep at times tell me कि मैं एक दिन तेरी सारी diaries उठा के पढ़ूंगा, but I'm sure he will not, because he respects that. So there are a lot of experiences written on my diary, and yes, I do go back to those diaries and cry also at times and laugh out also at times at what kind of a writing is this. So yes, that's the random fact number 13. The random fact number 14 for all of you is that I am not a great fan of eggplant or brinjal and any kind of beans. I can have tori, tinda, ghiya, karela, but I just cannot like brinjal. I don't like the flavor of beans. And if they are in any of the vegetable, I'll just run away from there. I just don't like. Usme chahe, even if you have a potato in it, or all the great masalas of the world in it, all the great spices of the world in it, and any form of brinjal. So chahe wo बैंगन आलू है या आलू बैंगन है, चाहे वो भरता है और चाहे वो भरवा बैंगन है, whatever you name it, I just don't like it. Random fact number 15 is that I'm quite an organized person by personality. People say that it's an OCD, it's a disorder. Scientifically or medically also, people say that it's a disorder. I just don't think it's a disorder. It's the personality that I carry with me, is that I want everything to be at their particular place. If my cushion has to be at this side, or if my cushion has to be that side, and if the light has to be that side, and if the remote has to go back to its place, then it has to go back to its place. I just don't like scattered things at all. And I used to follow same at my studio or at my office. And even I'm organized to an extent that even if you ever open my laptop, or even if you ever get to open my laptop, you will see I make folders for everything. And there are folders year by year, and under that year there will be further folders against each category, each topic. And that's how I like to keep it, even in my wardrobe. And I like to keep it that way. So yes, that's the interesting fact number 15. The next fact is quite interesting, is that ये थोड़ी सी बढ़ाई करने वाली बात है, but which is okay, I'm sure, which is fine. मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता कि इतना बढ़ाई वाली बात है. Is that my handwriting is very good. I think I will give that credit to my mom and to my dad, because I used to get a lot of thrashing and a lot of scolding from my parents, that ढंग से लिखा करो. Typically every Indian, I'm sure you all must have gone through that, that ऐसा लग रहा है तुम्हारी किताब में कीड़े चल रहे हैं, चीटी चल रही है. And I was like, yeah, this is one comment that I really never want to hear. That तुम्हारी किताब में चीटी चल रही है. I mean, like really, किताब में चीटी चल रही है, मतलब इतनी गंदी हैंड राइटिंग है क्या? And slowly and gradually I picked it up. My father used to, back then there used to be slate. I'm sure, yes, I'm that old. तो हमारे टाइम में एक स्लेट आती थी और एक चौक आता था, और मुझे उस पर लाइंस बना के दी जाती थी कि इस लाइन के ऊपर ही लिखना है, इसके ना ऊपर जाना चाहिए और ना ही नीचे रहना चाहिए. And I used to write it, and while I think I reached out to level 6 or level 7th, where you start using fountain pens or ball pens. My father never encouraged me to use ball pens. He always encouraged me to write anything with fountain pens, because fountain pen अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा दबा के लिखते हो ना, तो उसकी निब टूट जाती है. But that's not the case with ball pens. If you ever want to improve your handwriting, that's the way you can improve your handwriting. You should avoid using ball pens, because I understand they are smudge proof and you can write little faster, as compared to fountain pens, but yeah, they give you a very good handwriting. The random fact number 17 is that since my handwriting is very good, my drawing is pathetic. Yes, it's pathetic to an extent that I can't even draw an apple. Yes, of course, I can draw a straight line, but I can't draw anything. I think I couldn't get my mom's genes there because she is a, I don't have words to define, you know, she is very artistic. Her hand is superb, but I couldn't get those genes from her of, you know, being artistic in drawing. I just can't get that. So the next random fact or an interesting fact, I'm sure most of you will relate with me, and you know, who've been with me personally would know that I am in obsession with cold coffees. You have seen that in my previous video also, which was my daily routine, and that's what I start my day with, or I can end my day with. I am always in for cold coffee. Always in for cold coffee, even in Delhi winters. I just don't like the fact of, or you know, I just don't like the flavor of hot coffee, how good it is, what kind of brand it is. I just don't care with hot coffee, but I am just obsessed with cold coffee. People who stay in Delhi know how cold, chilly is Delhi. वो बोलते हैं ना दिल्ली की सर्दी. I have been drinking until last year Delhi ki sardi mein my cold coffee. So that's the interesting fact about me. Next fact, which is random fact number 9, and I know by now you all know that I love to chit chat. I love to talk, and मेरी report card में यार हमेशा ही लिख के आता था कि you know, she's very talkative. She includes other people also along with her to talk to. Next, which is random fact number 20, is that I am a rebellious. I'm not a yes person at all. At all. I mean, my parents, if they're watching this, my friends, people whom I worked with, would really, you know, say yes, you are absolutely right, is that, you know, I'm rebellious. I will not take anything that you're giving to me. I will not take any shit from anyone. Even if, you know, you're giving me a logic to it, I will try, analyze first, and then say yes to it. I will just not say yes randomly because, you know, Falana Dhimkana has said it. No, I'm not at all diplomatic. I'm not a sugar-coated person. That's the fact about me, and I would like to remain like that. I would not like to sugarcoat my things. So yes, the next fact is that I have a split personality, and people who know me, they know that I am not binary. I mean, I can not binary in sense that neither I'm an introvert, neither I'm an extrovert. I'm an ambivert, and that's how I am. I mean, when I'm out, I would like to chill out with my friends, but when I'm at home, I want my me time, quiet time. Nobody should bother me. So yes, that's why I call myself a split personality. The next fact is that I cannot walk out of my house without ironing my clothes. Yes, I want my shirts. To that matter, I even iron my denims, and I can't walk out of house without ironing my clothes. I want them to be crisp and clean. I understand while you reach to your destination, they get crinkled, or you know, they lose their crispiness, but that's fine. I mean, you can't keep an iron with you all the time, but I like it that way. So yeah, that's the fact about me. The next fact about me is that I like to keep 5 to 7 minutes reserved before I walk out of the house. What I mean by that is that I would like to sit on my couch before moving out of the house, or I would like to walk in my house or in the corridor for a while before I leave my house with anything, being it, you know, just going to a mall, or you know, just going to a shopping center, or even going to a park. So I need those 5 to 7 minutes. I don't know for what. I don't do any productive thing, but I need those 5 to 7 minutes. The next fact is that I just love departmental stores. Yes, you can digest it. I'll give a 2-second pause here. Yes, I love departmental stores, and I can even walk out of the departmental stores without buying anything. Okay, I like the fact that everything is under one roof, and you can buy whatever you want to at just one place. Of course, clothing sections are different, and grocery sections are different. Like to walk in different aisles of departmental store, and I think I've landed in the correct country where you get a lot of departmental stores, and it's like a one-stop shop. I can spend hours together in the grocery or in the departmental store, so I just love them. Next fact about me is that I love traveling. Having said that, I love to travel and stay in great hotels or good hotels. I'm not saying 5-star hotels, but good hotels, and I would love to spend there and of course in traveling. So that's the random fact number 25 for all of you. The next fact is that, which is related to, of course, random fact number 25, is that my go-to city is London. I just love that city because that was the first international travel that I made was to London, and Chandeep loves it too as well. I think the ambience, the environment, the culture is what I really like. And second thing, of course, my family stays there. My extended family is there, and I just love visiting them. The random fact number 27 is that I am very punctual. I am very punctual to an extent that I even expect that from the other person. और कभी कभार तो ऐसा भी होता है कि मैं पंक्चुअलिटी के चक्कर में थोड़ा जल्दी पहुंच जाता हूँ, एंड देन आई हैव टू वेट फॉर दैट पर्सन कि वो अब आएगा कि वो तब आएगी, एंड देन आई हैव टू वेट ओवर बिकॉज आई एम ऑलरेडी वेल अहेड ऑफ टाइम, and the person who is coming will take his or her gala time to reach, and I tend to wait more. But that's how it has been. I have since the time I know myself, I have been like that. I reach my destinations quite early. That's how I am, and I love punctuality. I love people, and I have respect for people who are punctual. So hats off. So the next random fact number is 28, which is that I'm quite an aggressive person. I don't like people, who slog. Be aggressive in completing your task in your work, and aggressive is not, I just like to get my things done. I just don't like to be a lazy ass, and I just don't like people who slog. So random fact number 29 is that I just don't like doing any home chores, any kitchen work, any cooking, any utensil cleaning. I just don't like it. I have not done it since last 33 years. Yes, I've turned 34 now. I've been doing it for last 1 year because COVID happened. Before wedding, of course, mom zindabad. I was at my parents' house. So as usual, mom used to take care of everything. She used to cook. Of course, back then we had maid and help. And once I got married, my mom was very happy that अब तो मेरी बेटी को काम करना पड़ेगा, अब तो उसको घर चलाना सीखना ही पड़ेगा कि कैसे करना है and all that. But that also I outsourced. I just don't like doing all of that shit, yaar. I mean, I have no grudges, or I have respect for people who do it. But that's not me for sure. I mean, I just can't do it. I think I've not done it in 33 years. But then I just don't know. When I got married, I had help for laundry, I had help for utensils, I had help for cook. And I had a very gala life. But COVID happened. I just don't like doing it. I'm the last person who would love to do that. So the next fact is that, and that's random fact number 30, is that I love to buy candles. Candles, not those stick candles जो हम दिवाली में जलाते हैं, वो वाली नहीं. The candles which are perfumed or which are scented, but mildly perfumed and mildly scented. And why I like it, that because I want my house to smell nice. Just like I want perfumes to smell nice, I want my house also to smell nice. Of course, there are sprays, but I do feel that, the essence of those sprays goes, as soon as you open the door, or, once the air circulation is there. So, of course, that's with candle also, but it keeps giving you a little bit of aroma for a while. And that's how I love candles. And my favorites are lavender and citrus scented candles, and not towards rosy or fruity. So yeah, that's the random fact number 30 for all of you. The next fact is that that's little good, but I have not been doing it for long, which is that my best running record of 5 kilometers is 29 minutes. I think before Rehat was about to born, I think in 2015, that was the best 5 kilometers in 29 minutes that I have completed. And to that, random fact number 32 is that I have been a one-time half marathon runner. I have ran a half marathon in 2015. I know it's been long, but I have ran a half marathon in 2015 in November in Delhi. And I completed that in 3 hours and some minutes, I guess. And I prepared for that marathon for about 6-7 months. I started with 2 kilometers, then I went up to 5 kilometers, and then I went up to 7 kilometers, and then 10 kilometers, and finally 12 kilometers while I was practicing. So I practiced it, and finally I ran a marathon in November. Random fact number 33 is that I do take notes every time, even if I'm going for a meeting, or if I have a client conversation, or while I was working. I always used to carry a diary with me or a laptop with me, where I always used to write notes, because that's how, your memory, you can't keep everything in your mind. You will tend to forget something, and that's why this comes very handy. So yes, I keep notebooks quite handy with me. They are always either I have it in my handbag, or I carry a laptop with me to grab notes. And if I don't have, my mobile is good enough to get me that. Random fact number 34 is that it's quite weird though, that I do at times talk to myself in mirror or at alone. I do always, prepare myself for some conversations also like that. I'm sure a lot of you do, but yes, that's the fact. That's the fact that I love to talk to myself in the mirror. As I said, I'm quite talkative and chatty and chirpy, and I do prepare for conversations and talks also through the mirror. When there is nobody at house, I keep rehearsing what I need to talk to. So yes, that was random fact number 34. And one last bonus fact, which is that I am quite a deadline oriented person, and I plan everything too much in advance. I like to keep my tasks well prepared before the deadline or before the meeting. I just don't do things that just nick off the time. I hate doing that. Of course, it's related to being organized, being punctual. But yes, that's the fact. And I said that I will do 34 facts because I have just completed 34. But वो इंडिया में बोलते हैं ना यार कि अच्छा 34 complete हो गया, अब तो 35 number लग गया. So that's one bonus fact for you. So yes, these are the interesting and random facts that I have with me. I'm sure there are a lot more, but I'm sure I don't want to bore you with a lot of facts and vague or weird comments, vague or weird things that I do. But yes, if you can relate to few of these facts or few of these interesting things that you also follow, please do not forget to write a comment below. Let's share it with each other. This is it. This is the video that I wanted to share it with you all. Take care. Please stay at home and wait for the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.